Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to descale a tankless water heater. Step 1, unplug the power. Turn off the water. And turn off the gas. Step 2, you want to fill up a bucket and create a solution. I like to use distilled white vinegar and water. Go ahead and pour all that. Now, set it up 3/4 of the way. Step 3, you're going to want to submerge the pump in the solution that you've created. Now you want to hook up one hose to the hot side service port, and that hose will then connect to the pump. The other hose connects from the cold side service port and goes directly into the solution. You then want to plug the pump to electricity, and you want to let it run for an hour. Do not plug the pump in if it is not completely submerged in water.